And remember, this week we're talking about investigating. And I want to tell you that there's more to being a secret agent than your disguise. A good disguise is important for your secret agents, but there's so much more than a disguise. And when you guys picked up your bags, do you remember when you picked up your bags on our kickoff Saturday? And in your bag you had a little pencil, a notebook, and a magnifying glass. Well, today we're going to need the notebook and the magnifying glass. And for those of you who didn't get it, maybe you can find something around the house that you could use. And I'm here to talk about using fingerprinting dust. All right, and also about being a good secret agent and investigators. We've got many books here that we use. Clueless McGee, and Geronimo Stilton. He was a very good secret agent. You see right in here, they've got their disguises on and the camera. They're going to check. And here's our fingerprint, bite marks, and ears. That's all good things. But what I want to show you today is how to use fingerprint dust. So I have my super-sized magnifying glass, the brush. You should have picked all this up. So in your kit, we'll have a brush, the fingerprint dust, some paper, and what you'll need from home is some tape. And I have scissors to cut my tape, and oh my, look what I found under my stuff. These things just appear all the time. Huh, look at that. Huh, this is my magnifying glass. Imagine that. Well, we don't need this. I can put this by my disguise and get to work here. Now, one good thing or another thing about being a good secret agent is you have to have endurance. Don't give up, okay? Trying to find the fingerprints takes a lot of work. Now, I use plain Scotch tape here, and it's harder to get a good print with the Scotch tape, but if that's all you have, it works. You can take your magnifying glass, and I have this special part. I love this little part here. It's for older people who have to use bifocals. And you could see the print right in there. And with the little tape, sometimes you can't see the whole print, but with our packing tape, which I'm going to use today, and see I have a print on the purple paper. So if you don't have black paper, you might have dark blue or purple. When you use the packing tape, it's thicker. It gets more of a print. So we are going to do that. I would practice first at home. So I'm practicing now. I'm going to put my fingerprints, press hard on something like the back of a chair or your tape dispenser, something you have at home that's kind of flat. And just put some prints on there, like I'm doing. And then you take your fingerprint dust and your brush. You're going to pour a little over it. And then you spread it nicely. You could blow. Now remember, when using the powder, you might want to wear a mask because the powder creates a lot of dust. Okay, so I've got my fingerprint dust all over. And now, you see there's little marks where the oils from my fingers have stayed and it sticks to it. I'm going to try the packing tape. I'm going to use my scissors. And then you put your tape over the spot. Like that. Take your tape and put it on your black paper like that. And then you have to use your magnifying glass to find the fingerprint. And I got one right over here. Right in there is the fingerprint. Now remember, maybe you guys know this, that everybody has their own fingerprint. That's how you can, our print talks about us. Our print, nobody else has the same print. Same thing with your teeth. That's why teeth, fingerprints, hair, even stuff from your ears is all original to us. So what you do in your book is you can write. You can look at that fingerprint, and you might not get it your first time, and you might write first time found. You might find more than one. Found one fingerprint, and then you might want to do it again. And then doorknobs are a really good place to put your powder and press around and your tape to get the fingerprints. And then if you want to even be, you can go around your house if you have a stamp pad and you can check out everybody in your houses, compare their fingerprints to the fingerprints you find. But again, test your own first. And remember, read some books. You guys, we're still curbside pickup. So put in your call, put in your order, and get some good investigating work. And let that Pen and Paper Society move on and find out about Professor Watson and the clues.